They are not listening to the citizens. They do not care about the health and welfare of the people in Tontitown.
We have an update this evening on a KNWA News special report as state regulators are pushing back against the city of Tontitown's efforts to stop the expansion of its landfill. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5. I'm Chad Mira. Chelsea Helms has the night off. Our Perry Adrani has been following this story and has more details.
The Ecovista landfill in Tontitown is Northwest Arkansas's only major dump site for waste and wants to expand. But as we investigated in November, the city's mayor and a group of citizens believe the landfill poses a health risk to residents and that regulators aren't fully investigating their complaints. Now they're taking legal action in an attempt to stop the landfill's expansion.
They may be listening, but it doesn't seem like they're doing anything for us.
Tontitown Mayor Angela Russell says it was frustrating when state regulators at the Division of Environmental Quality, or DEQ, issued a permit in March allowing Tontitown's Ecovista landfill to expand.
They did not have the support of the city. We have 2 resolutions to let them know we do not support you.
Russell says the city council agreed unanimously to those resolutions, which passed in January and November, but were still ignored. Citizens voiced their opposition, too.
There was 1,400 signatures on a petition of citizens asking the city of Tontitown to not do the expansion.
We need to stop the landfill completely.
Resident Kenneth Lovett was also frustrated when the expansion was granted by DEQ, so he got a lawyer and is appealing the state's decision to issue the permit.
I want to be sure that my voice is heard and the people around the Ecovista landfill voice is heard.
The city of Tontitown is filing its own appeal, saying the state needs consent from the city before moving forward.
I really pray and hope that the Pollution Control and Ecology Board will listen to us.
But this plan is already facing setbacks. The state board considering the appeals allowed Waste Management to expand its Ecovista landfill before a final decision is made. And DEQ is asking for the appeals to be dismissed.
Do you feel as if that appeal has a chance?
I don't feel it has a chance, but I've been surprised in the past.
It's this hope for a surprise that Lovett and the city are clinging to as they find themselves at odds with a multi-billion-dollar company trying to expand its landfill and the state agency that's responsible for regulating it. We did reach out to DEQ and Waste Management, the company that owns the Ecovista landfill, for an interview on this story. Both declined, but Waste Management did issue a statement celebrating the decision to allow their expansion to continue throughout the appeal process. You can find it right now on our website. In studio, Perry Adrani, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.